In 2018, Port Charlotte Adventist School started a robotics club, the Intergalactic Lions. This club is a member of the Adventist Robotics League and the First LEGO League. The goal of the club is to introduce students to science, technology, engineering, and mathematics skills that will prepare them for the 21st century. Students in the robotics program learn to design and to construct robots using Legos. They also learn to design and construct attachments and to use touch, color, gyro, ultrasonic, and infrared sensors to help their robots complete tasks. Students then learn to program the robots to complete a series of challenges and tasks laid out for them on a 4x8 table. Brandon Castle, Nazir Minto, and Josue Velasquez will explain more about this process.
So this robot is actually very complex because, well, it's made out of Legos, first of all. Second of all, this right here is the brain where you control all the, where you get all like the information or how you program it to do all the stuff like move over here and push it directly into green like that, or to like, you know, make other arms or like take off this, and for other things like for pushing this all the way, or this could be another one for that, and this could be for like attaching over here or something, and then just like breaking it over here and just knocking it over, and just help with the like the robotics championship, you know, to help you at least get high in the points. And and you also might need a computer to just to program this. You have to plug it in into like design, put all the programs, how to move it and everything. And once you program it into here, you have to plug in these two cords into the two motors, so it sends the information into the motors to help it move, to tell it where to go and stuff. And then you can also add attachments like light sensors just to help it stop and then go, and then like avoid the color, and then, you know, keep on rolling and do whatever other mission it has to do. So, and all these parts are made of Lego, both things are made of Lego. But the cool thing is that this is actually electric. It's not all just Lego and stuff.
Hi, my name is Nazir, and I built this arm to hit this to make the rocket fly over to the top, and then the biggest single. So the way I programmed the robot is with app called Lego My Summer Education EV3 Student Edition, and the way I programmed it is pretty difficult. I use some mortars that you have to measure first how many rotations you have to do, so the robot will get into it, and then put it in a computer. And then from there, when you're done with everything, you connect a wire to your computer and connect it to the robot. And then you download the program from the computer to the robot. And that's how you program.
In addition to design and programming and problem solving, the Robotics Club strives to teach its students project management skills and a set of core values such as innovation, teamwork, inclusion, and discovery. Julie Coppathorne will tell us more about this.
So we had to make a board full of the core values that we use for our team. So our team is Intergalactic Lions, and we use like fun, innovation, teamwork, discovery, impact, etc. So to program this, we would split up into groups, and then we would work, and then at the end of the day, we would all come together and tell us what we did and how it would help. Or sometimes we would work as a team to program Some would build, some would make the boards. So yeah.
Each year, the Robotics Club is given a problem to research. They are challenged to come up with a product that solves or overcomes that problem. The club is also challenged to come up with a plan to produce their product and market it. Julie Coppathorne again will tell us more.
In robotics, we made a project. We had to make a project. And since we chose to focus on depression, since you have serotonin in your brain and sunlight helps with that. But since there's no sunlight in space, your serotonin levels can go down and that causes depression. Since it's all black in space and there's no sunlight, we made a daylight changer that has tons of colors and therapy lights, and that would help with depression. You could customize it, put it in your room. It's like a privacy curtain, since it's mostly open and like a space shuttle, so people would need that privacy in for the curtain.
Okay, how does the curtain help with depression?
Since there's bright colors, we would use these colors for the curtain, because bright colors, they kind of act like sunlight. The therapy lights act like sunlight, and they give off this bright light, and it hopefully would raise your serotonin levels.
This year, our club went to Orlando for our first robotics competition. There were many aspects to the competition. The first was robot design. The second was how well we implemented the core values in our team. And the third was the quality of our research project and product. Then we competed against 36 other teams to see how many tasks our robot could complete in 2.5 minutes. It was a long but very fun day, and we left feeling proud of what we had accomplished. We invite you to enroll in Port Charlotte Adventist School and join our robotics team and see what all the fun is about.